Today we'll look at how to import simulation entities from one sim to another. Here we have an assembly finite element model and sim, which already has a number of simulation entities in it. We also have a few component finite element models of a bracket and a FADEC, and the FADEC has its own sim at a component level simulation that was done earlier. And what we'd like to do is bring in the pressure load from that component level simulation to our assembly level simulation. And here you can see there's both a fixed constraint and the pressure load. So to do that, we'll go back to our assembly simulation, right-click on the FADEC and say Import Simulation Entities. Then we'll select the sim from which we'd like to import those entities, and then we can filter which entities we want to see. Here we'll say All, and then we can select which ones we want to bring in. And here I only want to bring in that pressure load. This will import the pressure into the load container in our simulation in our assembly FEM. So here we can see that pressure, and if we want we can add it to one of our existing solutions. Here I'll make our linear static solution active and drag it into the load container for our linear static solution. And here you can see that pressure load is associatively tied to the geometry of our FADEC.